Hi, my name's Chris Matthews, and I'm going to be presenting a workshop on working with demotivated teams at the week of workshops that has been presented by CC Learning very shortly. The workshop is really about being able to recognize when people are slowly becoming demotivated. Now, that doesn't mean that they are lacking in motivation. It means that they're slowly being turned off by something that's going on around them and making them become less and less cooperative during their job. And if you get a team of people doing that, it could be disastrous. There's a process you go through, and I can teach you and show you how that process works. And at the end of that exercise, you'll be able to even assess your own motivation level. It will help you be able to remotivate the team, get them fired up, and get some terrific results. I look forward to seeing you at the week of workshops. Make sure you get in as much as you can, because it's going to be great fun. Hi, my name's Chris Matthews, and I'm presenting a workshop. Hello, goodbye.